Welcome to my channel. Asus RT AX3000 dual-band Wi-Fi router. Steps 1. Unbox the router and locate the power adapter, Ethernet cable. Steps 2. Connect the RJ45 cable to one port of router. Steps 3. After connecting to the power supply, remember to press the power button to turn on the router. Steps 4. Install Asus Router app first. Go to iOS App Store or Google Play and search for Asus Router app, or use your phone to scan the QR code to download the app. Steps 5. Requires iOS version, iOS 11.0 or later version, compatible to iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. Step 6. Setup process with Android phone. Connect to router's default network name, SSID, network name, SSID Asus_XX. Step 7. Example 1, 2. 4G Wi-Fi name, SSID Asus, 5G Wi-Fi name, SSID Asus_5G. You can find it on the label on the back of your router. Steps 8. Example 2, Wi-Fi name, SSID Asus_XX, XX refers to the last two digits of 2, 4 GHz MAC address. You can find it on the label on the back of your router. Steps 9. Execute the Asus Router app, tap Setup. Steps 10. Asus Router, choose Allow to proceed the setup. Steps 11. Start connection type Automatic IP, tap Next. Steps 12. Connection type PPPoE, type username and password provided by ISP and tap. Steps 13. If you want to set up 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz separately, tick the checkbox for the setup of each band. Steps 14. Login name and password are required when accessing to router configuration page. Steps 15. If home screen doesn't show, choose New Wireless Network on your device and return to Asus Router app. Step 16. When the home screen shows, all the steps are completed. Thanks for watching.